Hello, I'm in a 2004 BMW X5 and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So first we'll go on the driver's side here and then we'll look down kind of by where your left foot would be. You should find a lever here with a little resistance that you'll need to pull. If there's no resistance at all, it might already have that safety lock released. Otherwise you might need to fish around up inside this plastic. See if you can find some loose cables or something like that that need tightened up. So now that that's released, you will go up to the hood. In most vehicles, the release lever is right around in the middle. And I pulled up on it and it's a little loose. So then you're gonna feel around. And this lever is actually right here, which is convenient. So just pull up. And then you should have these little hydraulics to help hold it up a little bit for you. That's the inside of what this lever looks like, and it just hooks right into there. If you're having issues with that, you might need to just check, make sure everything's aligned properly, or potentially some gunk stuck in there. Otherwise, hope this was helpful.